Well, guys, so we're in the low country, South Carolina, and we are getting snow. I think if we get an inch, they're gonna have to shut the whole city down because we don't get snow. So about an inch, half an inch, oh, everything's shutting down. Schools are closing, stores are closing, even the freaking Walmart is closing. And it is definitely snow.
And Dennis, we're getting snow.
See my ice? Well, it's not quite snow.
It is too.
It's not quite snow yet. I call it
sleet.
sleet. But give it about, it's only been dark for an hour, so another 30 minutes. Well, actually, it's dropped 3 degrees in the last 5 minutes on our way home. So I give it another 30 minutes, and this is going to be some good downpour snowing. I don't know if you guys can see. No, there's no way in hell. But it's sleeting, not a real hard sleet, but a pretty hard sleet, like a medium hard rain, and it's sleet.
Really, roll the window
And it's sitting over us, and it's
roll the window up.
Could you, ma'am, I'm doing a video for YouTube.
Follow YouTube.
I'm a YouTube partner.
I don't give a shit. It's damn freezing out there. You got the damn window there.
Ma'am, could you just chill out? So anyways, guys, this little hard sleet in about 20-30 minutes, it's going to be a good little hard snow. It might not stick because the ground's so wet, but we're going to have some good hard snow that we haven't had in 16 years, 15 or 16. Well, guys, looks like we're going to be snowed in for a while. I think we got about a half an inch up there. What do you think? What does that look like? About a quarter inch. But anyway, this is the first time in 15 years. Yeah, 15 years we got snow. Anyways, walking in the snow, walking in the snow. See what I made for the natives? It says Buford, and it's written in snow. How does this work? I've never used a light on myself before. Anyways, guys, it's snowing and it's awesome. Wish you were here. Wish you were here. This is it's one thing when it snows up north, but when it snows here, it's something special. It is a very, very rare thing. Oh, it's coming down so pretty, guys. Oh, it's getting in my eyes. I know if anybody from up north sees this, they're gonna say, look at this fucking bumpkin motherfuckers. They got barely a little bit on their car. But anyways, guys, this is not something that happens every day. And here comes fucking Boss Hog. Look at him. He got 3-4 inches on there. Jesus. He barely made it home, look like. Not much good lighting, guys. But you know this is the landscaping truck. Look at her. And he just got off the road. Cool-ray. Cool-ray. If you're from Buford, you know what that means. Look at all that snow. Hold on, I'll make a snowball for y'all. So, Aubrey.
Hey.
Hold up. Got to interview you.
Yeah.
So what do you think about the snow?
I don't think it's worth shit.
I tried to call you 4 or 5 times. We was worried about you.
Yeah, I know. I was out there by the fish pond bogged down.
What?
Yep.
What fish pond?
That one at Thayer Rivers on down the road there.
Damn. Yeah, we thought you was you couldn't come over the bridge, you know?
I went there, wanted me to go check that pond. He got a leak in it.
Yeah.
I went out there and pulled back and got stuck and didn't have no.
Oh, you talking about down there at the landing?
No, you go way back up in the woods. I don't know.
Oh, the one I never been to.
Yeah.
All right.
It ain't nobody lives back. It's way back in the woods, and my phone wasn't working. God damn, I couldn't hear.
Well, guys, you heard it first. The man barely made it home. The snow almost got him. Well, guys, not much more to say or shoot about this. It's dark and it's snowing and it's covered our deck, it's covered our lawn, and it's pretty much covered the cars by now. So well, we asked for it and we got it, but we still love it.